Rakesh, is your drone battery okay? It suddenly started making that alarm sound. It won't explode or something, no?
Oh, relax. It's perfectly fine. This is not a regular battery. It's a smart ionic battery.
Smart? This alarm? How?
When it starts buzzing, that means the battery is around 10%. Below 18 volts, the cells begin to get stressed. If it goes too low, the battery can start swelling and lose performance. That's why you should charge it while it's still in the safe range. When you charge it on time, you prevent over discharge, protect the cells, and the battery lasts much longer.
Oh, so the alarm isn't a danger warning. Is it actually protecting the battery?
Exactly. That's why it's a protection alert and not a panic alarm. And that is why it lasts much longer than 300 plus cycles.
Wow, that's actually very smart. How can I order one?
Simple. Just go to the Ionic website and place your order. Or you can call this number and the team will help you.